What's up, guys? Today is, if you're keeping track, which I'm trying to, today is Thursday, um, Thursday the 28th. Today's lesson is following yesterday's lesson, which is 3.11, using a layaway plan. So this is if you decide you want to buy something, but you can't pay for it all at once. You're going to use what they call a layaway plan. Um, and layaway plans are actually really cool, especially like come Christmas time. I've used it for getting Christmas presents, and I don't want to have to hide them from the kids. So what I'll do is I'll put it on a layaway plan, and then this way I buy the stuff, I leave it at the store, and then I just make payments on it so that when it comes time to Christmas and then I want to take it home, I'll come grab it. So I want to just share with you guys how to do a layaway plan and how it works. Um, in Google Classroom, I created a Google Doc. You're only doing 5 problems, but it's a little bit different. If you're using the worksheet, I didn't assign just problems 1 through 5. I picked 5 different problems to do. So with that being said, I'm going to go over the example with you guys. Mikhail and his brother Jay bought a house together. They want to invest in an energy-saving refrigerator that costs $899.99. They decide to use a 5-month layaway. They made a 15% deposit. How much do they owe each month? So the first thing that they're going to do is when it says 99 cents, we're just going to round that up to the next dollar. Makes things much easier, and it's customary. That's what you end up doing anyway. So we're going to say that it costs $900, and then we're going to find out, the first thing we're going to do is find out how much did they put down as a deposit. So if you remember, we changed the percent to a decimal. So here's the percent, 15%. I moved the decimal 2 places, so it's 0.15. All right. So to find the down payment, I do 900 times 0.15, and it gave us $135. So that was their down payment. So if you're looking at your chart, that would be the deposit amount. That was their deposit. So now we're going to find the remaining amount to be paid. So what we do is we take the original price, the total price, which is 900, and we're going to subtract the down payment, the deposit. So when we do that, we got $765. Now that's how much is owed still. And now if they're doing it in 5 payments, that means that there's 5 months or however long they want to pay, but a 5-month layaway. So what they're going to do is you're just going to divide the remainder by 5. And that's going to give us how much they pay per month. So how much do they pay per month? It's 100 and, well, they have a typo here. And I didn't even notice that. No, it's 153 it's $153 per month. So they didn't make a mistake. I did. So they made a $135 deposit. Their 5 layaway payments of $153. So you're gonna get your Google Doc is gonna look like this. I put the example up at the top, just like yesterday's assignment. You're going to fill in the deposit amount, the remainder amount, and the payment amount. This is the monthly payment amount in the right corner. So I'm going to slide that over, and I'm going to do the first 2 problems with you guys. So the first 2 problems. The first problem is the water heater or an air filter. All right, so if it's $249.99, we're actually just going to go ahead and say $250. $250 times the percent deposit. We're going to find out how much we deposited by changing this to a decimal. So 250 times 0.20 is $50. Make sure that you're putting in your money sign. All right, I'm taking off because if it's money, you need to write down that it's money. So they paid $50. So if it's originally $250, they paid $50. The remainder is 250 minus 50, which is just $200. $200. Now we're gonna they have $200, but they're dividing it among 5 payments. So 200 divided by 5 is what? It's $40. So what is their payment amount? $40. So it's pretty simple what we're doing today. The water heater, so it's $269.99. So we're gonna say 270, right? 270 times 0.33. So we're gonna multiply these two. 270 times 0.33 is $89.10. So $89.10. Don't forget our money sign. That's a nasty looking money sign. Make it a little bit better. Don't forget your money sign. So we're going to subtract to find the remainder due. Subtract 270 minus $89.10, and we get $180.90. Again, I'm going to put my dollar sign so that we don't mess up. And now if you notice, how many payments are there? Well, 10 payments is what they're doing. So you're going to do 180.90 divided by 10, and you get $18.09 per payment. And that goes there. So then I'm going to go ahead and bring this over just so that you guys can see what goes on. So I'm going to fill in this document. So amount deposited for the air filter was $50. So I put the money sign. The remainder due was $200. 5 payments, so that means it was $40 per payment. And then I go ahead and do the water heater. Their down payment, their deposit was $89.10. Their remainder due is $180.90. And for 10 payments, that gives them a total of $18.09 per payment. So then it would look like that. So then you're just going to do 3 more problems after this. You're going to do the clothes dryer, the mountain bike, and DVD player, which on your worksheet, it's 5, 9, and 10. 5, 9, and 10. So again, I think it's easier to just turn it in on Google Classroom. It goes automatically in, but however you're doing the work is fine with me. Just make sure that you get it done. Any questions, reach out. You guys know where to find me.